In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the main table in Monday.com. The main table is the core view of your board, and it's where you'll probably spend most of your time. Think of it like a smart spreadsheet. You have rows, columns, and groups that help you organize all your work. Each row is called an item. An item can be anything you're tracking, like a task, a project, a client, or a deliverable. Each column is a data field about that item, such as its status, who it's assigned to, due dates, or priority. And then you have groups, which are the colored sections that divide your items into meaningful categories, like stages in a process or different types of work. Let's start with adding items. To create a new item, scroll down to the bottom of any group. You'll see an option that says Add Item. Click that, and a new row will appear. Type in the name of your task or record. For example, design homepage or follow up with client. Press enter and your new item is now part of the board. Next, you'll want to update the columns for that item. Columns hold the key information you need to manage your work. Common examples include a status column to show progress, a people column to assign someone, a date or timeline column for deadlines, a priority column to highlight importance, a numbers column for budgets or hours, and a files column to attach documents. To update any of these, just click directly in the cell and choose or type the value you want. If you need to track more information than what you see, you can add new columns. Go all the way to the right side of your table and click Add Column. From there, choose the type of column you need, such as status, date, people, or text, and then give it a clear name so your team knows what it's for. To keep everything organized, use groups to separate different stages or categories of work. For example, you might have groups like backlog, in progress, and completed. You can move items between groups simply by dragging and dropping them, which makes it easy to reflect where each task stands. When your board starts to grow, sorting, filtering, and searching become really helpful. You can sort by columns like date or status to control the order of items. You can filter the board to see only items assigned to you or only items with a certain status. And if you're looking for something specific, use the search bar to quickly find the item you need. Finally, for more detail on any item, click its name to open the item view panel. Here, you can post updates or comments for your team, attach files, review the activity history, and manage sub-items if a task has multiple smaller steps. This is where all the context and collaboration around that item lives. And that's how you use the main table in Monday.com to organize, track, and manage your work effectively.